Greetings and welcome to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel. So I'm going to show you a particular short here, and let's run through it quickly. We'll play it through and then I'll explain to you why it's really a bad way of teaching the concepts involved.
When you have a word problem, read the words carefully and translate them into an equation. What percentage, that's an unknown, equals to x of 80. Of means multiply. 80 is equal to 32. This becomes a simple algebra problem. X is equal to 4 over 10, so you go to 0.4, so you go to 40%. When you have a word problem, read the words carefully and translate them into an equation. What percentage, that's an unknown.
Okay, so as you can see, the teacher provides a method which she doesn't really understand, and which in fact even PhDs in math don't understand, because they don't understand the concept of number. Okay, so what percentage is 80 of 32? What percentage is 32 of 80? That's just another way of saying the same thing. Okay, this is a proportion problem. Okay, what it means is that if you don't understand proportion, then you're not going to understand the problem. So what you're looking at here is you're saying 32 is to 80 as x is to 100. Okay? That's what you're saying. And if you write that as a fraction, which is introduced in terms of line segments in Book 5 and Proposition 12, the most important proposition of Euclid's Elements, then what you have is 32 over 80 is equal to x over 100, right? And now it's simply a case of simplifying this and finding the answer. So if we simplify the left-hand side, we can see that 16 goes into 32 twice and into 80 5 times, okay? So we know that for the left side to equal to the right side, there must be a factor that we can multiply both 2 and 5 to arrive at x and 100. Well, what can we multiply 5 by to get 100? Yes, the answer is 20, right? And if we multiply 5 by 20, we have to multiply 2 by 20, which means that x must be 40, okay? So 40 over 100 is the proportion that 32 is of 80, okay? So 32 is 40 over 100, is 40 hundredths of 80, okay? That's what it means. And of course, 40 hundredths simply means 40%, okay? You know where this symbol came from? 100. Simply take the 0, put it here, the 0 here, and a slash, and you got percent, okay? So this video here has, gosh, it has millions of views, over 3 million, I believe, and a lot of views. I mean, and a lot of comments to it. But you'll see that mainstream mathematics teachers and educators don't understand these concepts. And it's sad because when they see people lose interest and fall out of STEM courses, it's due to the fact that they have teachers who've never understood and are teaching them. So you can't simply be teaching a method as you find in this video, okay?
Is equal to 32.
So x times 80 is equal to 32. What does that even mean? I mean, math professors don't even understand the operation of multiplication. And maybe I'll cover that in the next, in an upcoming video sometime. But what you need to remember is that in order to be good at mathematics, you have to understand the basic concept. So I'm going to give you a free book which you can download online, and it'll make you smarter than any of your math professors or teachers, and you'll be able to understand these things. If you're not already a subscriber, become a subscriber, click like, tell your friends about this, and I'll be chatting with you soon. My name is John Gabriel. This is a new calculus channel.